My name's Tom and this is my brother Will, and together we started Above Below. We grew up in Yorkshire and both love swimming in the outdoors, and our pioneering new hybrid sport is called cross-country swimming, which Trail magazine describes perfectly as a glorious mixture of backpacking and wild swimming. And to make this possible, we've invented and patented a brand new piece of outdoor kit called the RuckRaft. We also host our own unique events and publish groundbreaking routes that you can try yourself. And now we're inviting you to come and join us on an epic adventure with Above Below. The Above Below challenge was how to be able to travel over land and water and take everything you need with you for a great day out or even overnight adventure. And the solution is the RuckRaft. It's small, light and packable and consists of two simple components. A giant 100-litre dry bag, which fits any rucksack of any size, and a compact inflatable raft to attach it to that makes it really easy to swim with all your gear. We've had great reviews and press and even been nominated for an Outdoor Innovation Award. We've secured our UK and US patent, and European and global applications are in process. We've sold out all production runs to date, with 30% sold on pre-order and 20% going to customers all around the world in some amazing cross-country swimming destinations like Canada, Scandinavia and New Zealand. We also host our own unique events and publish groundbreaking routes that you can try yourself. The RuckRaft is only our first product, but it's a gateway product, a gateway to new adventure possibilities over land and water.
As Tom said, the RuckRafts is our first product, but it's a gateway to a whole new set of adventures over land and water. And what this does is put Above Below at the forefront of three big and/or fast-growing markets. The first is obviously swimming. Swimming is the biggest participation sport in the UK. More people swim than play football, rugby, cricket, basketball and netball combined. The niche of wild swimming has grown 200% to 300% in the last 2 years. There's already between 1 and 2 million people. It's really addictive. You want to go more places and do new things, and Above Below offers exactly that. This boom in wild swimming isn't a flash in the pan. It comes off the back of 10 years of consistent growth in what's called aquatic multisport. And by that we mean triathlon, Ironman, swim run. These athletes love a new challenge, and Above Below offers them a whole new set of challenges. And the final market we can aim at is obviously the massive outdoor market. It's 6 times bigger than swimwear. So all of a sudden, if you're outdoors, that body of water on the Ordnance Survey map becomes an opportunity rather than an obstacle. So what we've got with Above Below is a niche activity of cross-country swimming with a direct appeal to the millions of people, and there are millions, who love adventuring outdoors. There's a well-trodden pathway for exactly this type of niche activity turning into a much more mainstream and successful brand and business. A really good example is Innovate. They started in fell running, selling shoes out the back of a van at the end of races, and in 2012 they sold a minority stake for £13 million. There's already, in the wild swimming niche, more people than go climbing. Think of all the amazing brands that started in climbing. You've got North Face, Arc'teryx, Berghaus, Patagonia. There are none of these type of manufacturers in wild swimming at the moment. It's a massive opportunity for Above Below to be the best pioneering makers of the kit and the experiences for adventures over land and water. Without any significant spend on our side, we've had 20% of our sales all over the world. There's the archipelagos of Scandinavia. There's already people in Scandinavia running a swim camp. There's the lakes of Geneva. There's the rivers of southern France, and we've had quite a few sales in the Netherlands. Then you're looking at Australia, New Zealand, the Okinawa Peninsula of Japan. We've already got our US patent. We can go to the Great Lakes, the Apache Rivers of Arizona. The potential all over the world for adventures over land and water is truly massive, and Above Below can be the pioneering brand that makes the best kit and the best experiences.
All our facts, figures and forecasts are in our CrowdCube pitch deck, so please take a look and get in touch with any questions. And we hope you'll want to come and join us on what promises to be an epic adventure with Above Below.